Hello mga ka-RV. Good day everyone. Welcome to another episode of our monthly Roleta for Watch to Watch participants. So, i-roleta na natin. Pasensya na po na delay kasi we're super busy lang talaga. So, ayan, welcome po. Ayan. So, mag-start na tayong mag-roleta and naset ko na to. 5 seconds lang po. Same thing pa rin, just to give you the mechanics on how this works. So, okay. Ayan, same pa rin po. Meron tayong 500 pesos sa last man standing. And then meron tayong consolation prizes na 1,000 GCash at dalawang winners ng 200 GCash. So, again and again, nagpapasalamat ako sa mga nagpa-entry or nagpalista for your continued support and dedication sa mga channels ninyo para mag-join sa ating mga watch to watch. Ayan, walang sawang nagsusuporta dyan. Thank you so much sa mga admins. Maraming salamat po. Paulit-ulit na lang pero I will not stop thanking everyone for making this possible. Okay? So ngayon, one way of saying thank you is to give back yung mga kahit konti lang na giving back sa mga nag-participate. Your time and effort is valued. So ito lang yung makaya ko. So kaya iruleta na natin. Again, yung mechanics natin ay last man standing tayo sa 500 pesos GCash at tatlong winners ng two winners ng 200 at isang winner ng 100 pesos. Okay, so before anything else, ayoko na patagalin to. Let's make this quick. So, i-share ko muna yung screen ko sa mga nag-participate para at least klaro na kasama kayo sa ruleta. Okay? First things first is, ayan, share screen ko muna. Ayan guys, if you can see the screen, ayan, I hope klaro sa lahat. Ayan, gawin natin full screen yan. Ayan. So, ito yung mga nag-participate sa ating watch to watch. From number 75 hanggang number 80 na Arvinatics watch to watch. Ayan. So, i-roll call ko na lang yung mga sumali dito. Yung sa number 75, we have Florenda Dialeg, Jaylin Kasay Vlog, Das Baduya, Mama Che, Eileen Codan Vlog, That's Move. Ayan, andyan si Arvi Sarosa. Chris Kirk Balmonte. Ayan. Indian Cuisine, yung walang sawang very consistent nating nagsumasali. Joyco Vlog, Mr. Freely, Alts Teacher, Iligan, Almasque de la Cruz. Ayan. And then, let's move on to another one, yung next participant natin sa number 76, Watch to Watch Florenda Dialeg, Indian Cuisine with Pinky Pikesh, Tess Baduya, Arsene Motovlog, Wendy Kapunong Muang, Chris Kirk Valmonte, Mama Che, Cat's Dreams, Jaylin Kasay Vlog, Prince Soy TV, Channeline Visaya, Mitso Furley at That's Move. At sa Arvinatics number 77 naman, Janeline Visaya, Cats and Dreams, Wendy Kapunong Yang, Jaylin Kasay Vlog, Tess Baduya, Prince Soy TV, Eileen Codan Vlog. Welcome, Prince Soy TV. Ayan, to our Arvinatics Watch to Watch. Eileen Codan Vlog, Mitso Freely, Fabio and Chloe Miser, Arsene Motovlog, OGW, Indian Cuisine, Pinky Cash, That's Move, M's Channel Vlog, Chris Kirk Palmonte. Yung sa number 78 naman natin ay si Jaylin Kasay, Prince Soy TV, Cats and Dreams, like Cats and Dreams. Wendy Kapunong, Jonaline Visaya, Beth Gaming Vlog, Tess Baduya, Eileen Codan Vlog, Mitso Ferrili, Florenda Dialig, Arvisa Rosa, Almasca de la Cruz. And sa ating number 79 naman, we have Mama Che, Jaylin Kasay Vlog, Cats and Dreams, Stats Move, Alts Teacher, Iligan, Jonalyn Bisaya, Mitso Ferrili, Quiz Kirk Palmonte, Tess Baduya, Bems Vlog in Japan, Bangtans Nuwana, Prince Soy TV, Wendy Young, and OGW. And then the last, yung number 80 natin, we have Indian Cuisine with Pinky Cash, Jaylin Kasay Vlog, Cuts and Dreams, Stats Move, Jonalyn Bisaya, Favi Chloe, Mr. OGW, Eileen Codan Vlog, Mama Che, Mitsu Furley, Prince Soy TV, Wendy Kapunong Yang, Chris Kirk Balmonte, okay? So, ayan na guys, ito na yung mga sumali sa ating Watch to Watch from number 75 hanggang number 80 na episode natin. So, maraming salamat po and good luck po. So, let's end screen muna natin guys. Stop sharing muna natin. And then, let's move on to share the screen ng ruleta natin. Ayan, share screen natin yung ruleta natin. Ito na yung final list guys. Ayan guys. So, ayan. So, very clear na yan. I'm sure makikita nyo. Andyan lahat yung mga pangalan ninyo dito nakalista. Ayan. Guys, paki-check nyo na lang. Lahat ng na-mention ko kanina ay nandito talaga. I made sure na andito kayo lahat. Okay? Para wala akong na-miss. But if ever may na-miss ako, guys, don't forget to PM me kasi of course tao lang tayo. Antok pa kung minsan kasi maraming trabaho. So just PM me, okay? So let's move on na guys. And as I mentioned, congratulations in advance at good luck sa mga mananalo. At sa hindi manalo, ayan, tuloy-tuloy lang po yung pagsali natin sa ating Watch to Watch. Kasi para din yan sa inyong mga channel to increase your views, okay? So, let's move on. Ayan, hinaan ko muna yung music guys kasi merong music yung ating ruleta. So, last man standing tayo, magre-remove muna tayo. Mag-remove muna tayo guys. So, good luck everyone. Okay, so 5 seconds lang to. Naset ko na sa 5 seconds lang. Okay, 5 seconds lang ang interval, then remove agad. Okay, so spin time. Okay, so let's move on na guys. Matagal pa to kasi masyadong marami yung nang sumali. So let's go. First drop. Prince Soy TV, remove. Sorry. Next. Oh my God, Dev's channel. Remove. Ano ba? Eileen Codan Vlog. Shuffle natin. Ayan. Mama Che, sorry po. Ayan. Mama Che, remove. OGW, remove. Shuffle natin ulit. Oh, Almasca de la Costa Love, sorry. Chris Kirk Balmonte, Love, sorry. That's move, sorry, Loves. Indian Pinky Cash, remove. Wendy, remove. Sorry, lalabs. Mitsu, for Lily, remove. Sorry, lalabs. Ayan. Oh, it's Teacher Iligan. Remove. Sorry, lalabs. Prince Soy TV, remove. Sorry po. Oh my God. Prince Soy TV, remove. Shuffle natin, lalabs. Nang 20 times. Ayan, shuffle natin. Go. That's a dream. Sorry, lalabs. Eileen ko doon, vlog remove. Shuffle ulit. Jaylene Kasay. Sorry, lalabs. Cousin Dreams. Sorry po. Jonalyn Visaya. Sorry, lalabs. Let's move! My God, sorry, lalabs. Move. Shuffle ulit. Ayan. Arstine Motovlog. Sorry, lalabs. Shuffle ulit. Lalabs Jaylene. Remove. Shuffle ulit. Taspaduya. Remove. Sorry. Shuffle again. Ayan, Joy ko. Remove. Shuffle ulit. Oh my God, Prince Soy. Pang-tatlo na. Sorry, lalabs. Shuffle ulit. Florenda Dialig. Sorry, lalabs. Jonalyn. Sorry, pangalawa na ito, lalabs. Shuffle ulit. Chris Kirk, lalabs. Sorry. Shuffle natin ulit. Kada roll shuffle. Wendy Kapunong, sorry, lalabs. Remove. Shuffle ulit. Chris Kirk, sorry, lalabs. Sorry po. Oh my God! Mama Cherry moves. Pasensya po. lalabs. Shuffle ulit. Lalabs, Jaylene, remove. Punchi W, remove. Another Jaylene, remove lalabs. Pasensya po. Florenta Dialect, remove. Sorry, lalabs. Lalabs, Jonaline, sorry po, remove. Shuffle ulit natin. Tess Paduya, remove. Jen Cuisine, Pinky Cash, remove. Shuffle ulit. Mitsuo Fairly, remove. Sorry, Lala. Shuffle natin. Jen Cuisine, pangatlo na po. Sorry, lalabs. I'm sorry. Ayan, shuffle ulit natin. Ayan, Indian Cuisine ulit. Sorry, lalabs. I'm sorry. Ayan, shuffle ulit natin. Shuffle. Mitsu! Essential lalabs. Remove. Ayan. Oh my God! Unmask lalabs. Remove. Dalawa lang entry. Parang dalawa lang. Remove. Essential lalabs. Ayan. And Fabio Chloe, Mr. Remove lalab, sorry. Ayan. Oh my God, lalabs Beth. Sorry. Remove. Sensya na pa. Ayan. Ano kaya? Cats and Dreams. Sorry, lalabs. Remove pa. Let's move. Lalabs, remove tayo. Ayan. Training class, I remove. Sorry, lalabs. Cats and Dreams again. Sorry po. Remove. Can remove lalabs. Fabian, Chloe, Mr. Lalabs, sorry, remove tayo. Konti na lang lalabs. Ma'am Wendy, remove. Sorry po. Shuffle ulit natin. Bam's Vlog in Japan, remove. Shuffle ulit natin. Despaduya, remove. Oh my God. Pull ulit natin. Wendy Yang, remove. Thanks na one, remove. Shuffle. Jaylin, remove. So, remove. Sensya po. Chris Kirk, Valmonte, remove. Shuffle ulit natin. Nakaka-excite naman to. Ayan, konti na lang. Oh my God! OGW, nag-iisa na lang natira na wala pa. Sorry, lalabs. Ayan, shuffle ulit natin. Mitsu, remove. Ayan, shuffle. Konti na lang. Good luck, guys. Sorry, lalabs. Remove. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Ayan. Ma'am Eileen, remove po. Sorry. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I see motovlog, remove, lalabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wendy! Sorry, lalabs. Ayan, 10 na lang po. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ayan, 10 na lang po yung naiwan. We have Chris Kirk Balmonte, Tats Move, Janalyn Bisaya, Prinsoy TV, Cuts and Dreams, Janalyn Bisaya, dalawa yung ko Janalyn, Florenda Dialeg, Mitso Fairley, Tats Move, at Tess Baduya. Ito na lang po yung 10 na naiwan. So, yung huling apat, sila na yung mananalo ng ating mga prizes, okay? So, magre-remove tayo ng 6 and then yung 4 ay winner na, okay? So, good luck guys! Shuffle natin ng maraming beses para fair yung laban natin. Ayan, pasensya po sa ma-remove ha. Ayan, meron pa naman tayo next month, don't worry. I mean, next month. Itong month na pala kasi dapat April to eh. Kaya lang, na-delay ako so pasensya na. Ayan, so, go! Oh my God, Lalabs test! Ayan, remove. Wala ng entry, Lalabs. Pasensya na po. Ayan, oh, ayan. Ano natin? Shuffle natin. Kuha tayo ng 6. At yung maiiwan na 4 ay panalo na po. Okay? Mag-aagawan na lang sa prices. Ayan. So, go! Oh my God! That's move. Ayan, meron pang entry si That's move. Remove. Ayan, meron pang isang entry si That's move. Ayan, so, shuffle, 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 shuffle natin. Ayan. Excited ako dito mga lalab. Go! Ayan, Jocelyn Bisaya, remove. Ayan. Okay, so shuffle ulit natin mga lalab. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pa po. Dalawa pa yung ma-remove. Ayan. Good luck everyone. Tagi-isang entry. Tagi-isang entry lang po to. Ayan. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yung nag-iisang entry mo, Mets. Remove. Ayan, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isa na lang yung ma-remove. Winner na yung... Ayan, si Chris Kirk andito pa. Oh. Siya palagi yung nananalo last time. Ayan. Good luck ha. Good luck guys. Go. Oh my God. Lalabs Jonalyn. Pasensya na po. Ayan. So, meron pa. Mag-remove pa tayo ng isa na lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isa na lang. Winner na yung... Isa na lang. Ayan, go! Kasasabi ko lang. Ay, so pasensya lala. Remove. Ayan, congratulations sa 4 na naiwan. We have That's Move, Prince Soy TV, Cats and Dreams, and Florenda Dialect. Ayan, congratulations po. Winners na kayo. So mag-aagawan na lang tayo sa 100, dalawang 200, at isang 500 pesos. Okay? So, set natin sa para mas 10 seconds yung spin natin instead of 5. Okay? Ayan, so and congratulations sa inyong 4. May chance kayo na manalo either ng 100, dalang 200 at isang 500 pesos. So, ngayon, ang uunahin natin is yung kasi yung last man standing tayo guys ha. Hope you understand yung mechanics natin dito. So yung una kong spin is yung mananalo ng 100 pesos. So 10 seconds yan guys. Ayan. So i-shuffle ulit. So winners na to. Winners na kayo. Pero mag-aagawan sa amount ng cash. Wait lang muna guys ha. Ayan, so one moment. Ayan na guys, shuffle ko muna. Ayan, so let's go. Good luck! Ayan! Prince Soy TV. Lista ko muna. 100 pesos. Ayan. Prince Soy TV. Ayan, lista ko muna guys ha. Prince Soy TV. 100 pesos GCash. Ayan, congratulations lalabs. Ngayon naman, dalawang winner ng 200 pesos. Ayan, so, shuffle natin. Ayan. Ayan, we have Florenda Dialect, That's Move, Gods and Dreams. Okay? So, good luck. Congratulations, Cats and Dreams. Ayan, Cats and Dreams. 200 pesos. Ayan. And then, yung another 200 pesos at saka yung 500 pesos. So, it's between Florenda Dialig and Tats Move. Quite exciting. Ayan. Sino kaya yung mananalo, guys? Ayan. Gusto ko i-extend sa 20 seconds para malayo rin yung spin para exciting. Ayan, kasi dalawa na lang yan. So, whoever, yung unang lumabas na name, siya yung panalo ng 200 pesos at saka yung maiiwan as the last man standing, siya yung mananalo ng 500 pesos, 500,000 pesos. Char. Good luck, Florenda, and that's move. Okay, so, ayan, na-shuffle ko na maraming beses and go! We now have a winner. Florenda Dialig, 200 pesos. Congratulations, lalabs. Florenda Dialig for 200 pesos. And congratulations to remove natin. Ayan, Tads Move. Lalabs, nanalo ka. Tads Move for tumataginting na 500,000 pesos. Charot. Ayan, so congratulations. Just for a quick recap, guys. Ayan, ito na yung mga nanalo. Yung Prince Soy TV, 100 pesos. Cats and Dreams, 200 Prince Soy TV, 100 pesos. Cats and Dreams, 200 pesos. Florenda Daily, 200 pesos. At saka yung grand prize natin, which is 500 pesos, AC Todd's Move. Congratulations to you, Todd's Move. Ayan, parang first time mo. I don't know. But congratulations to all of you at sa mga hindi nanalo po. Sorry po. Meron pa naman tayong every month. So, wag kayong mawala ng pag-asa. Join lang ng join. And, ayan. So, I think okay na tayo guys. Magpapadak race na naman ako in a while. So, I think again, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. And i-post ko lang to sa ating GC. And pakidrop na lang yung mga GCash name ninyo, number, para at least mas easier for me pag nag-send. Pero I guess mga Wednesday na siguro. Kasi isang bagsak ko na lang pag-send. So, pag kompleto na din, doon ko na lang isa-send yung mga prices ninyo. So, once again, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat at continue to support our Arvinatics Watch to Watch video replay. Once again, this is our host, Arvi Sarosa. saying thank you so much and have a wonderful day to all of you. Goodbye.